Okay, assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome again to my channel. Okay, today in this video I will show you a pre-midterm exercise about the fridge system. Okay, before that let's take a look at the components that I'm using and how the system works. Okay, for this project I'm using a 10k ohm potentiometer, one push button, one LDR, one red LED, one blue LED, one passive buzzer, and one 10k ohm resistor, and also 220 ohm resistors. Okay, this potentiometer will act as a temperature sensor and it will control the red LED, and I set it about 4 degrees Celsius. It means if the value is exceed 4 degrees Celsius, the red LED will illuminate. And the blue push button will control the blue LED, and the brightness of the blue LED will controlled by the LDR. It means during day the LED will become dimmer, whereas if during night the LED will become brighter. And this buzzer will operate if the door is not closed after 30 seconds, and this push button indicate the door position. Okay, now let's take a look how the system functions. Okay, first I will show you on the temperature sensor first. Okay, you will see if I rotate the potentiometer counterclockwise, it will increase the temperature, and if exceed 4 degrees Celsius, the red LED will illuminate. Okay, this means the temperature sensor is exceed 4 degrees Celsius. If I turn it clockwise, the temperature, the red LED will extinguish. More than 4 degrees Celsius, less than 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, now let's take a look on the door position, the push button. Okay, now for the push button, it will act as a door position. Okay, if the button is being pressed, it means the door position is open, and the blue LED will light up. Okay, let's take a look. I push the push button. Okay, as you can see, the brightness of the blue LED is dimmer, and if I close the LDR, it will become brighter like this. During day, during night. During day, during night. Okay. Okay, let's take a look again for the push button. During day, you will see the LED will become dimmer. During night, the LED will become brighter. Okay, day, night, day, night. And if the door is not closed after 30 seconds, the buzzer will be sounded. Okay. What is this sound? Yes. Okay. Okay, that's all from me for this assignment, the pre-midterm exercise. Okay, I hope you guys like the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye.